Another day, another English lesson. Subject-Verb Agreement. Compound subjects with and, or, and nor. When two subjects are joined by and, we treat them as plural and use a plural verb. For example, my brother and sister live in Chicago. Tom and Maria are getting married next year. Coffee and tea are both popular in the morning. The dog and the cat sleep in the same room. When two subjects are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. This is called the proximity rule. Only the noun beside the verb decides whether it's singular or plural. The other noun doesn't matter. For example, neither the teacher nor the students were ready. Students is closer, so the verb is plural. Neither the students nor the teacher was ready. Teacher is closer, so the verb is singular. Either my parents or my sister is picking me up. Sister is closer, so the verb is singular. Either my sister or my parents are picking me up. Parents is closer, so the verb is plural. When both subjects joined by or nor are the same number, there's no ambiguity at all. Neither the cat nor the doggo is hungry. Both are singular, so the verb is singular. Neither the cats nor the dogs are hungry. Both are plural, so the verb is plural. Now you try. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. One, my mom and dad go to the same gym. 2, either the manager or the employees are responsible for the mistake. 3, neither the students nor the teacher knows the answer. 4, the cat and the dog sleep in the same bed every night. 'Either the coach or the players are to blame for the loss. 6, my aunt and uncle visit us every summer. 7, neither the manager nor the workers are happy with the new schedule. 8, books and magazines are available at the public library. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.